If you're broke, it's not your income, it's the system. You earn money, then you spend it all. Time keeps moving forward. Months turn into years, but nothing changes. The problem isn't your job, it's your mindset. When income rises, expenses rise too. Rich people invest first. Most people spend first. Wealth starts small, but consistency makes it grow. This is the cycle keeping you stuck. You're constantly encouraged to buy more. You compare your life to others online, and that pressure makes you spend even more. But here's the shift that changes everything. Pay yourself first before you pay anyone else. Even 10% makes a difference. Automate it so you don't rely on willpower. Money grows like a seed. Give it time and it becomes powerful. Most people panic when the market drops, but disciplined investors stay consistent. Short-term noise is normal, but long-term growth is powerful. Wealth starts with awareness. Cut what doesn't add real value. Know the difference between assets and liabilities. Choose assets more often. Stop following the crowd. The crowd stays broke. Different habits create freedom. Wealth is built through simple daily habits. Track your money so it doesn't control you. Automation removes emotion from investing. Don't stop when things get uncomfortable. Patience is the hidden advantage. Your future self depends on today's decisions. Stop trying to look rich. Start trying to be rich instead. Small actions repeated daily change everything. The moment you change your habits, the system loses power. Discipline creates financial freedom. Freedom is built quietly over time. There is no quick fix, but there is a proven path. Consistency beats intensity every time. Choose growth over comfort. Most people stay in the loop, but you don't have to. Wealth grows when you stop interrupting it. Start small. Start now. Stay consistent. Your future self will thank you. Financial freedom is a decision. Different habits create different results. Break the cycle. Build real wealth. Follow for simple money lessons. Think long term and break the cycle for good.